What's up everybody and welcome back to Josh and Babe. So Babe's at work right now, so you're just stuck with me. So quick backstory. Over the last couple of years, I've lost a pretty substantial amount of weight. You can check out these photos here. So part of my weight loss journey is, besides when we're cooking some wild stuff on our channel, but during the week, we eat a lot of chicken. And because it's a lean, healthy protein, the problem with eating a lot of chicken is that it's boring sometimes. We put it on the charcoal grill, we put it on the Blackstone, a bunch of different ways. And tonight I have chicken breast. So Southern California has decided that we're gonna just have rain from now on. Rain every day. So it's raining out right now. So what we're gonna do tonight for you is we're gonna take this chicken breast. I'm gonna show you an easy way how we prepare it. We're gonna do it in the cast iron skillet right here on the oven. And I'm gonna show you a recipe that isn't mine, but I found online that I really enjoy. It's a creamy, jalapeno-ish type of just a little dressing that you could put on this chicken breast. Keep it healthy, keep it clean, and really kind of spice it up so that you actually have some flavor with just grilling it in the cast iron. So, without further ado, and yes, I am filming this video on the cell phone. Our camera gear was stolen. If you want that story, link below in the description. So, without further ado, let's just jump into this cook. Okay, so we went to the butcher. We got a couple chicken breasts there. We're going to thin them out in that Ziploc bag. Of course, Babe got me into this, the coconut and avocado oil. Trader Joe's, we get it there. And then with this right here, I'm gonna show you this little sauce that I found online that I really like. And then we're gonna come over here and we'll use one of those cast irons and we'll grill it up and we'll have a healthy, lean, protein, nice dinner. Okay, so literally like $4. What do we got? The problem that I have with these chicken breasts, and I've gotten them before, is that they're huge, okay? They're huge. And this end is thin, and this end is fat. And so when you cook it, even on the grill or the Blackstone or anything like that, one side gets done quicker than the other side, and I don't like it, and it dries out, and chicken tastes plain enough as it is. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in this Ziploc bag. I'm gonna use that rolling pin and I'm gonna roll them out so that they're much thinner and that it's kind of an even thickness around. Then I'm gonna salt and pepper them. Never cook cold chicken. Let it come up to room temperature a little bit or you'll have one side really done and the other side not so done. So never cook cold chicken. We're gonna leave them out on the sink in the bag. Then I'm gonna salt and pepper them. I'm gonna grill that up in the cast iron. And then while that's working, we'll do a little sauce. In the bag, a little bit of that avocado coconut oil. We're gonna get the air out here. We're gonna set it on the sink and we're gonna roll it out so that it's a lot thinner. And even if it's not so thin, at least it'll be more consistent thickness. All right, so as you can see, much more uniform thickness that we could just bust these out real quick. We're gonna do some salt, fresh cracked pepper, and I wish I could do this on my Weber kettle on the charcoal barbecue, but rain. We're gonna let these sit here for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, get up to room temperature, then into the cast iron. All right, so you know that Babe and I have the Vitamix, the little Ninja food processor choppy thing, and we also have this NutriBullet. So to make this sauce, easy cleanup, I'm here by myself, I'm just trying to eat, we're gonna use the NutriBullet, throw a couple ingredients in the NutriBullet, and that's it. So check this out. Fresh jalapenos, a little bit of garlic, some cilantro, zero fat Greek yogurt. Not too shabby, huh? We're gonna put that in that, and we're gonna put it in that, and make ourselves a little jalapeno cream sauce for our chicken. All right, again, I'm sorry about these camera angles, but we're trying to make do. And I forgot to say, lime. We're gonna put some lime. So 1 lime in our bucket. Garlic, fresh garlic. I don't know, I like garlic. Put as much as you want in there, but that's how much I'm putting in there. Now, jalapenos. Fresh jalapenos normally are a little bit stronger than the canned one or the little like nacho cheese one. So it's always a gamble of how much jalapenos to put in there, but we'll put that much because I like it spicy. Greek yogurt. 3/4 of a cup. Non-fat Greek yogurt. Cilantro. A pretty fair amount of cilantro. There you go. That's gonna be our little cream sauce for our chicken. St. Patrick's Day smoothie. So it's a little tiny bit thin, and I tasted it. It needs a little bit more cilantro. I put a couple more jalapenos in, a little bit more cilantro. I'm looking for that more like fresh, bold type flavor. All right, so you can kind of see I wish it was a little bit, and I made too much. I wish it was a little bit thicker, but the flavor is amazing. I'm gonna set that in the refrigerator for a little bit, harden it up, then we're gonna get on our chicken. So every time that I've made that little cream sauce, it comes out like different, I'm not a pro yet. Sometimes it's thin, sometimes it's thicker, and then the goal is to try and get it as thick as possible. It was pretty good right there, a little bit too thin, but I put it in the refrigerator. It's gonna thicken up a little bit, and then we'll get onto the chicken. All right, so those have come up to room temperature. My plan is, since we can't use the grill, I'm gonna sear them off real quick, maybe 2 minutes each side in the cast iron right there. Oh, look at that, bouncing the camera around. And then I preheated my oven for 350 degrees. I'm gonna leave them in the cast iron. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of our little jalapeno cream sauce. I'm gonna stick it in here for, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes. You want your internal temperature of the chicken to get to about 160, 165 for food safety. And then we'll put them on a plate. We'll have that sauce to sprinkle around on top, and that will be an exciting tasting chicken. Much better than a standard, boring, meal prep, dry, old, dumb chicken breast that you just eat for gains. All right, our cast iron's getting hot, our oven's at 350, a little more of our oil. We're just gonna lay these in, lay them away from you. I laid them the salt and pepper side down, like 2 minutes each side. More fresh ground pepper, salt. Give them a quick flip. Just want a little bit of color on them. These are thick. The oven's gonna do all the work. I know it looks weird, but it's gonna taste good, trust me. I love this little dish. And we're gonna have tons more of this. I'm just setting this down here. We're gonna throw it in the oven. Cast iron skillet. In the Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes.
Subscribe to Josh and Babe.
15 minutes is up. And there we go. 2 giant, juicy, pan-seared, cast iron, look at the shadow in that photo, chicken breasts. 2 delicious, beautiful chicken breasts, jalapeno cream sauce, fresh cilantro, lime, that non-fat Greek yogurt, pan-seared. You guys, you're trying to lose that weight, low carb, I mean, I don't know what diet you're on, but low carb, basically keto. I don't know about the non-fat, I don't know anything about keto, but that non-fat Greek yogurt, I mean, my goodness. Let's try it. Let's try a little piece. This sauce, I mean, I know it looks funky. That's what I thought when I first made it, but I mean, ridiculous. It's so good. Besides that, it's chicken breast with avocado oil. Low carb, but it actually has flavor. When I went into the police academy, I was doing Atkins and just eating chicken breast water, and I got so bored of that. It tastes so bland. This actually has flavor. So it's fantastic. And I have an extra piece for Babe when she gets home. If you like this video, share it on your social media. We appreciate that. If you're in any type of Facebook weight loss groups or anything like that, we appreciate you sharing it in there. Because it's an easy recipe. Anybody can do it. I don't know how to cook. I mean, I pretend on YouTube, but all right. Thank you all. I'll talk to you soon.